7 Basic car maintenance tips from the experts. Keeping your car running at its best isn't as simple as booking it in for a service once a year. If you want to catch small issues early and fix them before they develop into big problems, you've got to do some DIY car maintenance yourself. Tip number 1, battery changes. Dealers and mechanics will charge a lot just to swap out your battery for a new one. And this doesn't include tow truck fees if a dead battery causes you breakdown somewhere. If the circumstances allow it, and you are comfortable changing your car's battery yourself, you can save money this way. Just be sure to check the type of battery your car requires. To prevent a breakdown before it happens, replace your battery every 2 to 3 years. Tip number 2, brake pad changes. This is another task mechanics and brake specialists will charge a premium for. The industry wants consumers to believe that this is harder to do than it actually is and will charge a lot for parts and labor. New brake pads themselves are relatively cheap, and with the right tools, wheel lug wrench, some basic wrenches, pliers, a jack and a set of jack stands, and level of comfort, it is possible to perform this change yourself. Tip number 3, tune up. Just like with oil changes, modern cars do not require a lot of hands-on engine adjustments, as many engines have electronic sensors and controls. Don't be fooled by dealers who charge to give your car a full tune-up, as they are likely just performing preventative maintenance, like the things I mentioned above. Unless you feel there is something more serious wrong with your vehicle, you can save a lot of money by keeping up with basic maintenance yourself. Tip number 4, replace your cabin air filter. This simple tip will help you feel fresh and cool whenever there's some warmer weather. It's so easy to do that you shouldn't have to pay anybody else to do it for you, and you can get these filters at pretty much any auto parts store. It might not make a difference in how your car runs, but it sure benefits you. Tip number 5, follow the recommended maintenance schedule. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. I'll caveat this by saying that repair shops and dealers will often try to upsell you on more stringent maintenance schedules. Don't listen to them. However, do study your manual's maintenance schedule and follow it to the letter. This will give you the best chance at prolonging the life of your car. Tip number 6, high-octane fuel. As your car ages, you may consider higher-grade fuel. Carbon deposits in the engine can actually raise the engine's octane rating over time. These deposits happen over time, so typically newer cars won't really benefit from the higher octane fuel, unless your manufacturer specifically recommends it. The higher octane gas also often has other additives that help clean out your carburetor. Tip number 7, keep car clean inside and out. Keeping your car clean does more than make it look good. It will also help the vehicle deal with all the elements it is exposed to and slow down the aging process. Another reason for cleaning your car is that it makes you look it over. You get a good visual inspection of it and are more likely to see issues when they first start, not when they become real problems. Alpine Motors, Canberra. Address, 22 Dundas Court, Phillip ACT 2606, Australia. Call us 0262822350. Email service@alpinemotorscanberra.com.au. Website https://www.alpinemotorscanberra.com.au